The National Youth Council of Nigeria, the highest ranking Igbo youth leader. Well, today is a special day in Igbo land because Igbo youth have stood up to say enough is enough. Of course, some of our leaders want to instigate us against the government and some other politicians who are not Igbos. But today we have come here in Igbo, the headquarters of the Southeast, to say that we are not going to participate in this protest. The reason is that since after the Civil War, the Igbo people have been agitating and protesting against marginalization of the Igbo people. And nobody, no region in Nigeria has joined us in this agitation. And now, if you are well informed about happenings in Nigeria, anytime there is protest, it is Igbo man property that will be destroyed in Lagos, Abuja, Kano, and everywhere. So we are saying no, we are not going to participate in this protest. And we're also using the opportunity to send a signal to our governors, our senators, our House of Rep members, National Assembly members, House of Assembly and local government chairmen, to tell them that the president is doing well, but they have failed to implement some of the projects and programs of the federal government. For instance, recently the president sent a trailer load of relief materials and funds to all the state governors, to all the senators, to caution the effect of the current economic situation. And we have not felt it. The Igbo youth have not felt it. We have more than 5,000 Igbo youth here. We are not happy with the system, and that is why we have stood up today to say enough is enough. We are taking our destiny into our hand to say that this Igbo nation belongs to us. We cannot talk about the youth without the youth. Anywhere you are talking about us and we are not there, you are making a mistake. And we are giving the governors ultimatum for engagement with the leadership of Igbo youth so that we know their plans for the Igbo nation. Because it's always easy to accuse the president or incite people against the president. But then you, at your level, at local government, state, as a constituency, you have not done anything. Now we have taken a stand. We are not going to participate in this protest. It might not sound good to some people, but this is our stand. We don't want to lose any Igbo youth. The people who lost during the EndSARS, we have not recovered from the shock. And now people want to instigate us on known faces because we don't know the people organizing the protest. So we don't want to get involved. We don't want to lose any Igbo youth. And we're also using the media to tell the federal government, in spirit of reconciliation, the Kano and the other Igbo youth who are in detention in various prisons in Nigeria to be released unconditionally. The Southeast Development Commission has been established. Who are going to occupy it? If we leave them, they put their children and the former senators and former what have you. That commission is for the youth. This commission is for reconciliation. This commission is for reconstruction and rehabilitation of the Igbo nation. And the youth must be involved. We don't want to negotiate it. We must be involved. And this is the leadership of Igbo youth. The organized youth are here. The National Youth Council are here. The NAS from the Southeast are here. The UWICAN are here. All the youth leaders are here. And this is our position today. And that is how we want it. We have begged, we have cried, and nobody wants to listen to us. This time we are taking our destiny into our hands.
Thank you. Wow.